It's about 12 in the midnight and I'm on my way to office. One of the good things about going to the office this late is the experience of the onward journey to the office. Right now it's the month of almost about August. It's the 31st of July today and Bangalore is pouring. The weather is really sweet, and that means that with an open window next to you, you get to feel that cool breeze gushing against your face. So that's the kind of experience that I'm having right now while on my way to the office. Well, so I've reached the office premises. There is my office. So it rained pretty heavily, I must say, as you can see. And before I enter my office, I'll just take a couple of minutes, update you on what exactly is going on and what's not. I got a word from the service center telling me that they have assembled the motorcycle on the new chassis, and the work has been done today. The work was completed today, and they're all set to dispatch the motorcycle from Mangalore to Bangalore. The update that was given to me is that sometime during the next month, maybe in the second week of August, is when I will receive my motorcycle. So that's point number 2. Now, the other crucial update is that you guys know for a fact, if you have been following the videos that I make, that there was a ton of modifications on my motorcycle, and in terms of the performance mods, the 2 important things installed on the motorcycle was number 1, the Phew Pro, and number 2, the Powertronic kit. Now they had tried putting everything back, including the Powertronic and Phew, but I'm not really sure if they are very well informed about the installation manual and if they kept a record of how the installation was done. So because of that, I got a call saying that when they were trying to install the Powertronic kit and the Phew Pro, they were facing certain error codes on the diagnostic tool. So they said that they were facing some issues related to ignition when they were trying to install the Phew Pro and Powertronic kit. So I told them not to do any of that, just to get the motorcycle back to me in its stock condition, clearing out all the error codes, and I'll see later on what to do about the Powertronic and the Phew Pro. So that's the second update. So it sounds like I'll have to either install it manually once again, or I might take my motorcycle to the Race Dynamics office once again, where with their help we'll install the Powertronic kit and the Phew Pro. So yeah, those are the 2 updates that I wanted to keep you posted and updated about. So tomorrow I might take a leave, because the day after I'll be starting for my native. So I have a flight to catch to go to my native, because my grandmother passed away, and there are certain rituals that we will be performing in the next couple of days. So those Shraddh rituals are what I'm going to be a part of. So on that pretext, I might show you a glimpse of my village, a glimpse of my small, sweet, simple state of Tripura. So yeah, keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, do subscribe to the channel, like this video, let me know in the comments if you are a part of the Rolling Nomad tribe, because a lot is about to happen. You know, when I say a lot is about to happen, it's not really about just travels and vlogs that are going to be the main highlight of this particular channel. A lot really is about to happen over over the course of next 2 to 3 years. Now, we are taking things up one after the other. So that being said, I'm not going to be disclosing right away what exactly I'm referring to, but yeah, that's something that remains to be seen. So if you are not a part of the channel already, I insist that you become a part of the channel, because what I am referring to is something that's not only going to be about myself, it's also going to be about everybody, each one of you. So I'm not really trying to create FOMO. I'm not really trying to say that you're going to be missing out and making you eager to join the channel, or maybe in a way I am. So that will, and you will discover later as time progresses. But yeah, I mean, for this year, the main highlight of this channel is going to be the Ladakh ride, in which I'm going to be riding all the way from Bangalore to Ladakh and back. And I have been making way for certain mods to be installed on the motorcycle. One last mod, and a very crucial one that still remains to be done, is the tubeless conversion. So that's one more video that I will be preparing very soon. I'm just figuring out ideas about what to do and how to do. And that being said, that's something I'm sure that many of you who have motorcycles with a tubed tire are going to find helpful. So that's going to be on the channel in a couple of days, once I'm back from my native after taking care of the rituals for my grandmother. I'll soon after return to Bangalore and take care of those last couple of things before I start my journey to Ladakh. So yeah, I'll take your leave right now. I have my office to attend to, so my office is waiting for me. I'll have to just go and log in now. That's pretty much it for now. I'll see you in another video, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow. So good night for now.